वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फ्रेंड्स, लर्निंग होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने देखी थी बर्बेरिस वल्गैरिस की फुल ड्रग पिक्चर। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद द केंट रेपर्टरी रूब्रिक्स फॉर बर्बेरिस वल्गैरिस। मतलब केंट रेपर्टरी में क्या क्या रूब्रिक्स है बर्बेरिस वल्गैरिस के, ये कंबाइंड स्टडी है ताकि आपको पता चले कि कौन सी सिम्टम की रूब्रिक क्या है और किस चैप्टर में ये रूब्रिक ढूंढना है। केंट रेपर्टरी के किस चैप्टर में कौन सा सिम्टम को रूब्रिक फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके आपको ढूंढना है। सो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने देखा था बर्बेरिस वल्गैरिस के फुल ड्रग पिक्चर। इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल लर्न केंट रेपर्टरी रूब्रिक्स फॉर बर्बेरिस वल्गैरिस। सो फर्स्ट rubric is from kidney chapter. Rubric is bubbling sensation in the region of kidney. Berberis vulgaris is second grade remedy. Other are Lyco and Medorinum. Second rubric is kidney heat region of, मतलब किडनी के रीजन में हीट का सेंसेशन आना, हीट का सेंसेशन पेशेंट को फील होना। बर्बेरिस वल्गैरिस थर्ड ग्रेड रेमेडी प्लस 7 अदर रेमेडीज। Third is kidney inflammation. Berberis second grade remedy with 150 other remedies also. Kidney pain, burning. Berberis vulgaris second grade remedy with 20 remedies. Kidney pain, cutting. Berberis vulgaris second grade remedy with 30 other remedies. Kidney pain extending abdomen. Berberis vulgaris third grade remedy with 3 other remedies. Kidney pain extending to hip. Berberis third grade remedy with 10 other remedies. Kidney pain extending to bladder. Berberis third grade remedy with 20 other remedies. Seventh is kidney pain jar from. Berberis second grade remedy with 6 other remedies. Kidney pain cutting. Berberis vulgaris with 100 other remedies. Kidney pain motion aggravation. Berberis vulgaris second grade remedy with 15 other remedies. Kidney pain sitting while. Berberis second grade remedy with 3 other remedies. Kidney pain riding. Berberis third grade remedy with 2 other remedies. Kidney pain radiating. Berberis second grade remedy with Perperi. Only 2 remedies are there, Berberis and Perperi. Kidney pain pulsating. Berberis third grade remedy with only one other remedy, that is Bufurana. Okay, now next is kidney pain sore bruise. Berberis is first grade remedy, very important. This can be asked as MCQ or Viva question with 100 other remedies also. Kidney pain sore bruised region of extending to the thigh. Only one remedy, that is Berberis as second grade. Kidney pain extending standing amelioration. Berberis third grade remedy. This can also be asked as MCQ in the BHMS or AIAPGT exams or Viva question. Kidney pain tearing, radiating. Berberis first grade remedy. Only one remedy, Berberis. Kidney pain tearing, pulsating. Berberis second grade remedy. Only one single remedy rubric. Kidney pain tearing, stooping on. Stooping means bending on. Only one remedy, only 2 remedies, Berberis and Ref. Berberis third grade remedy. Kidney pain tearing extending to thigh with stiffness. Berberis only one remedy with second grade. Kidney weariness region of. Berberis third grade remedy with 10 other remedies. Abdomen coldness. Berberis third grade with 150 other remedies. Abdomen constriction. Berberis third grade remedy with 10 other remedies. Abdomen distension. Berberis second grade remedy with 200 other remedies. Abdomen liver and region of. Berberis first grade remedy and 100 other remedies. Abdomen vein distension. Inguinal region. Berberis only one remedy, single remedy as a second grade. This is all about rubrics. There are many other rubrics for this Berberis. Do like, share and subscribe. If you want any other lecture, please do drop a comment in the comment box. तब तक के लिए जय भारत, जय हिंद.